Welcome to Deal.
Now approaching is the early 1511 Tunbridge West Yard to Tunbridge West Yard.
The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 1.
Death O'Brien 6264 5981. Nine seven seven nine eight three. Nine seven seven 868 and 73963. Okay, now ready to leave. Platform 1 is the early 1521. Colours rail service from Tunbridge West Yard to Tunbridge West Yard. 73963 leading out. It's 977868, 977983, 5981, 6264, and 73965 Death O'Brien. By the way, what I said in my recent posts and videos, I forgot about the test train. So today will be the last video until next week after my Easter trip. Don't wait for the crossing to go up and then I'll end the video. There we go. Like, thank you very much for watching, and hope you all have a very good Easter. Happy Merry Easter.